LA Tenorio, suki na. Pero alam natin, itong mga ganitong pagkakataon, hindi ito tsamba. This is a product of hard work that you and your teammates showed in this game. It was very evident na from start to finish, you wanted this game.
Yeah, yun nga. Going to this game kasi mindset talaga namin is must win talaga to para sa amin. Kasi alam namin medyo no bearing sa Meralco to, pero still ang importante kasi going to this game, especially going to the playoffs, really have to play our game and really have to play defense kasi we're playing also the #1 team defensively, which is Meralco. So talagang mindset namin today is to really execute defensively and offensively.
LA, you guys did your share of winning this game, pero hindi nyo hawak ang inyong kapalaran. You would have to see the results of the other games left in the eliminations. But regardless of which, you mentioned winning against Meralco Bolts, the #1 team as of the moment. And of course, San Miguel Beermen itong huli. You guys are very much ready for the playoffs.
Yes, actually yun talagang kailangan namin to be in the good position dito sa playoffs. We have to beat the #1 team, the #2, and the #3 teams. Yun talaga kailangan namin for us to get there. So yun nga, hindi namin alam kung ano magiging position namin, but as of now, at least ginawa namin yung part namin. So we'll see what's gonna happen this playoffs, kung ano magiging kapalaran namin. So bahala na Diyos sa amin. At least ginawa namin yung part namin.
LA, on a Wednesday, ang daming tao. It's the playoffs atmosphere already. Nagpakita talaga yung sixth man, yung Barangay Ginebra fans. You might want to invite them to continue supporting you. Lalong-lalo na, papasok na nga tayo sa next round.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng Barangay Ginebra fans. Talagang hindi sila nagsasawa. Sana patuloy kayong sumuporta, especially this coming playoffs. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na talaga to. Patuloy nyo po kaming ipagdasal. Kita-kita tayo sa bawat game natin.
Yung mga babatiin.
Binabati ko yung, syempre yung family ko, yung mga anak ko, Santi, Sian, and my wife watching now. And lahat ng mga taga Nasugbu, Batangas, and yun, mga taga Barangay Ginebra. Yun, Wednesday Club. Hello.
Congratulations, LA Tenorio.